In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. If you've suddenly found yourself unable to access Facebook Marketplace, don't worry. We're going to walk through the entire process of potentially restoring your Marketplace privileges. Let's begin by understanding why you might be banned in the first place. Facebook can block access to Marketplace for several reasons. For instance, you might have violated commerce policies by attempting to sell prohibited items, or perhaps your listings were seen as misleading or spammy. Other common reasons include receiving too many negative reports from other buyers or sellers, or maybe Facebook flags suspicious activity on your account, which often happens with new accounts, those displaying inaccurate information, or accounts that have faced multiple bans before. Having identified the common issues, let's move on to some basic fixes that you can try first. Sometimes simply updating your Facebook app can do the trick. Using an outdated version might prevent you from accessing certain features like Marketplace. Additionally, clearing your app's cache and data might resolve minor glitches. To do this, head over to your phone's settings, find the Apps section, select Facebook, and then choose Clear Cache. It's also worth logging into Facebook from a different device, like switching from your phone to a desktop or vice versa, as this might allow access. Lastly, ensure that your location isn't causing the issue. Marketplace might not be available in your current country or could be inaccessible due to VPN usage. If the basic fixes don't work, it's time to submit an official appeal to Facebook. Begin by visiting the Facebook Help Center, and from there, search for the Marketplace Appeal form. You should look for a section where you can request a review of your Marketplace access. You'll want to click on Request Review, and when prompted, fill out the form with accurate and honest information. Facebook generally reviews these requests within 1 to 3 days, so a little patience might be required here. While you await the outcome of your appeal, or once you've successfully regained access, consider strengthening your account to avoid future restrictions. Always ensure you're using your real profile, complete with a genuine photo and your actual name to build trust. Avoid posting too many items too quickly, as this can trigger alarms for unusual activity. When listing an item, provide clear and honest descriptions. Steer clear of misleading clickbait. Also adhere to the allowed categories, avoiding the sale of items like weapons, animals, or counterfeit goods. Lastly, work toward maintaining positive buyer and seller ratings, as your reputation plays a crucial role in your standing on the platform. By following these steps, you're more likely to get back to doing what you love on Facebook Marketplace and hopefully stay clear of any future bans. Thanks for watching, and good luck.